Do you want to create and edit videos without installing any complicated video editing software inside your computer? Then this video is right for you. Hey there, awesome people. How are you guys doing? So this is your V-Bro from Tech Week, and today in this video we'll be checking out FlexClip, which is, according to me, is the best place on the web to make and edit videos online. But before that, if this is the first time if you're watching my video, please do consider subscribing to my channel, as 98% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. And yeah, 98% is a very big number. So please do consider subscribing to my channel, as it means the world to me. Well, some of the key features that FlexClip has is that it is really easy to use and it's an online-based platform. Along with that, it has also rich animated elements about text and overlays, widgets, logos, and many more. The video editing tool that it has is also comprehensive and really powerful and easy to use, with many features like music streaming, image adjusting, changing aspect ratio, adding voiceover, adding watermarks, and so on. It also has a built-in screen recording tool as well as webcam recording tool, which are some pretty great features that comes with FlexClip. Don't worry, I'll be testing out all these features in this video itself, so stay tuned for that. This video might be a bit longer, so for that I have given timestamps in the video description for you guys to skip onto any specific part if you want to. And also, I would like to thank FlexClip team for letting me try this great online tool and also providing me with some 5 premium 1-month trial codes for you awesome people. Details about the giveaway in the later part of this video. Now, to use this tool, go to flexclip.com, and don't worry, the link will be there in the description, so just go ahead, check it out, and you're good to go. After that, you'll need to log in into your FlexClip account. You need to create one for free, and it's pretty easy to do so. Now, I have logged into my account, and in the middle, you can see it says My Project. These are the videos or projects that I have been worked on before. On the left-hand top corner, you can see it says Create from Templates. And also, below that, says Start from Scratch. And below that, you can also find options like Home, My Projects, Stock Video, and here in Stock Video you'll find uncountable number of high quality stock videos that you can use. If you watched my previous video in which I discussed about the best free voice changing application, link of which is in the I button at the right hand top corner of the video. In that video I used stock clips from FlexClip, and trust me guys, there are tons and tons of great stock videos that you can use, and also they are in 4K resolutions as well, so that's pretty dope. Now if you click on Create from Template, which you can find it right here, there will be tons of templates that you can use to make your own video. You can also search for specific templates that you want, and yes, all the text and animations can be edited for your liking. Just select your preferred template and then click on Customize. It'll take some time to load, so sit back and relax. Now you can see the full timeline is at the bottom, and on the center is the playback of the selected clip. To play the full timeline, what you'll need to do is just go ahead and press the orange play button down here. In order to edit any text, just select the clip and then double click on the text, and then you can enter any text you want to. You can also change the fonts, size, color, boldness, italics, and alignment, which is pretty great. In this way, you can edit and customize the templates you want and make it look like yours. Now, if we take a look at the extreme left, you'll find Media. Here you can also add your own clips as well, and you just need to drag in your videos, audio, or image files, and it will get added into your project. Along with that, you can also add stock videos. Like I said before, there are tons and tons of stock videos that you can use. Also, you can record your screen as well as your webcam, so there is no need to use any third-party screen recorder to record something, and also the webcam recording feature is like the cherry upon the cake. These are some of the great features that you find inside Media. Moving forward, you'll get Text option. Here you can add more text into your video project, and yes, all these texts are customizable, so you can go ahead and use them as much as you want. Now we have overlays. These overlays can be used over top of your videos and it gives a more professional look to your video. These overlays can also be edited. For example, you can edit the fonts or the text as well. Next to overlay, we have elements. Here you can get a huge number of elements that you can add over to your video. Just click on your favorite element and it will get added to your project. For me, I'll choose the subscribe button and then change its size to fit perfectly, and that's it. And this is how it looks like. After elements, we have backgrounds. Here you will find some great and high quality backgrounds. These can be very useful for you if you want to use them into your intro or outro or maybe anything. It can also be used as backgrounds for your photos or videos or whatsoever. Your imagination is the limit. The latter is music. Here you can choose hundreds of music that you can use inside your project. Just click on stock music and there you will find a library of soundtracks. You get many different genre of music as well as different sound effects, so you're free to use any of the soundtracks that are available. Or else also you can use your own music files by clicking on local music and then browsing your old music files. The next feature is nothing but watermarks. Here you can add your own text or image as watermark, and also you can change the font's size, opacity, as well as the position. Remember guys, this feature is available for you only if you have the premium plan, so make sure you know it. And below that, the last option is more. Here you can change the aspect ratio of the video that you're working on. This is great for making stories for Instagram, or maybe making YouTube videos or even making cinematic videos, for example. So these are the features that are pretty kind of useful and are pretty easy to use as you saw it. Now these were all the major features of FlexClip that are used in story mode, and now you must be thinking, what are we talking about, Vibro? Story mode? What is that? Well, don't worry, let me explain it. Let me go to the home screen of FlexClip to show you guys what I mean. Now you must be remembering we selected Create by Template previously, and now let's click on Start from Scratch. When you click on Start from Scratch, you'll see there are two options right here. One is the story mode and the other is the timeline mode, which is in beta but still it works. Previously we were on story mode. Basically, story mode is made for the beginners and for the people who are new to video editing. Now let's choose timeline mode. Like for me personally, timeline mode is my favorite as this layout is more like a real video editing software. Now at the first, when you open the timeline mode, you'll get a quick tutorial for how to use this mod. Let me skip this, and as you can see, most of the features are same as story mode, but the timeline that you can see in the bottom has more functionality and provides more control over your media clips. Even here you can add clips from stock videos or add your own video files. Everything is just same as story mode, but you can see there's a feature called transition, which is kind of unique for timeline mode. Here you can add custom transitions between your clips to make it look more professional or more pleasing to your eyes. There are tons of transitions that are available as you can see right here, and that's pretty amazing. Now let me show you how you can export the video that you just created. And for that, let me add some videos into the timeline and let me do some basic video editing. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have done some basic video editing as you saw, and now let's export this project. For that, click on the red export button on the top right hand corner, right here. And then you just need to give a name and then select the quality of the video and then click on export. This will take some time, so sit back and enjoy a cup of coffee or maybe listen to some of your favorite music. Once the video is rendered completely, it will automatically get downloaded and then you can just upload the video in any of your favorite social media platform. Now, in order to take part in the 1-month premium giveaway what you need to do is just get subscribed to my channel, as well as do like this video, and then DM me on my Instagram to participate in this giveaway. I'll be sending the code once the video hits 50 likes. It's a small target, and I wish you all the very best. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you really loved this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're looking for a great online video editing tool, then FlexClip is right for you. That's it, guys. Have a great day. God bless you all, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.